In the middle of the night, Graham found that her tentacles seemed to be dragging in the doctor back into the warmth of the cabin. She sent out her mental commands to her tentacles to stop, but they ignored her and continued dragging him in. It was then she realized that her inner hormones, her plant hormones, would ignore her human mind and ensure the survival of the species. The doctor contained some of her daughters, and hence her tentacles would obey the natural prerogative of protecting the species above whatever she desired. To her annoyance, the plant parasite that still survived within the doctor was keeping him alive, sending hormones to his body that was keeping his heart pumping and his nerves still alive, even in this cold temperature. There seemed to be some kind of antifreeze in the sap that the parasite was producing that was keeping both of them alive in temperatures that would have killed most normal mortal humans. They were obviously going to survive whether they liked it or not. Come the warmth of the morning sun, the doctor awakened to find a giant green-skinned woman glowering down at him. This amused him somewhat, since she was actually the threat, not him. However, his orders had been to observe the creature where possible and destroy it in the end, and hence he made small talk with the alien that had once been Graham, trying to ascertain its true purpose, and soon discovered that the creature knew nothing of its alien past. As though the green-skinned woman's vegetative organs were trailing all over the ship and over him himself, they seemed to have avoided the corpses of his former crewmates. It seemed as if the creature sensed subconsciously that their remains were toxic to one of its own kind. It seemed that although she thought she was Graham, there was more alien inside her than she really knew.